You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
Attention, we are now ready to begin pre-boarding for flight 6017 non-flight service to Coruscant. All passengers traveling with young may board at this time.
Welcome, first passengers. To help minimize your wait time, we ask you to please keep up with the travelers in front of you. Please do not sit on the rails or chains. Once again, please fill in all the available spaces. You are here to form your touch speeder.
What's wrong with the hyperdrive method? Fix it and hurry. Don't insult me, scrap mouth. At least I'm doing my job. Yes. So just you get back to fixing that hyperdrive motivator.
This security job is
Make sure you're keeping your entire party together and choose any side, left or right.
Alright, let's move it along. Keep it moving. You remind me of something. Except he's great.
Use the yellow strap to pull the gun handle outside the seat. Don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Yeah, it's fine.
Passengers, this is flight control. Please stow all personal items in the compartment below your seat. Remain seated throughout the flight and supervise your children.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. 1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO. 1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429. Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We
C.
know you have misread spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Oh no!
Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Someone look at...
You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me start tours. You're my only hope.
Only hope? What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour?
Incoming vessel. Identify yourself or be destroyed.
Destroyed?
Follow us down to the middle hangar. You'll be safe there.
Thank the Maker! Send out the distress signal! They're off! Look out, Otto! We didn't get that book, Alfred.
Star Tours, follow the ship. It's gonna lead you through the planet's core.
Any help would be appreciated.
We are picking up some strange readings. Stay close.
Oh, dear!
We are under attack! Alert Star Tours! Use them on your own now!
On our own? Otto, do something! And I thought I hated space travel! What do you mean we broke your ship? You broke our viewport! And I did not give you permission to go aboard. So sorry for the inconvenience. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
It was a little scary. It was fun. Maybe we'll go further. I think it's like a different one. Mini covers? They might have those lights in there. Those are the ones I made. They're not like the
Are we doing that? No, I mean we can, but I'm
it's great for